Hey, wait. Oh no, your truck rolled away. Vincent, don't walk on there, okay? You don't have shoes on. Hey, wait. Hey, wait. Hey, wait, look it. You can color over here. Oh no, where are you going? Back? Vince, I told you not to go over there. Get over here. Yeah! Good job! Wait. Oh. What are you doing? You coloring some more? Oh, there's your brother. That's so good. Look at that. You made my circle into a balloon.